Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the doors. Raise server verification to the highest level and require email-verified accounts plus a minimum 5-minute wait before chatting. Then, route join/leave and audit logs into a private mod channel so you can watch patterns. Enable 2FA for moderation roles and remove role management from general staff. This prevents mass privilege escalation. Once done, slow down entry. Use membership screening and temporary invite locks so you can observe newcomers before granting full access. Next, set up detection. Configure auto mod to block invites, mass mentions, and trigger on typical raid keywords. Pair that with a bot tuned to your server size that watches join rate thresholds. If X accounts join in Y seconds, auto-mute or auto-kick to stop momentum. Route suspected accounts into a quarantine channel where messages are suppressed and trusted moderators can review evidence. Make sure to test thresholds with a dry run. Then tighten rules until false positives are minimal but effective. Finally, respond decisively. Mute and quarantine active raiders, then ban confirmed accounts and restore normal perms. Once the immediate threat is contained, run an audit of roles, recent role changes, and pinned messages to remove malicious content, rotate bot tokens, and revoke any exposed OAuth grants. Communicate clearly to members in a status channel with appeal instructions and temporary read-only access while you investigate. If things go wrong, check the audit logs for the first intrusion event and lower join.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.